Alright, so we are going to graph today with ratio tables. And how I'm going to do this, I need to give myself a scenario to graph. So I'm going to say that 9 packs of cookies, you know how I love my cookies, are going to cost $27. And we're going to assume that all the packs cost the same amount, alright? So the first thing I want to do is figure out my relationship. I'm going to write some equations and make a table to do that. So I'll make my table here and say P is going to stand for my packs of cookies, and then we'll put $1 in there for my cost. So 9 packs cost $27. I need to figure out the cost per pack. I need to know how much one pack costs, cost per one pack. So that word per means divide. So I would do the cost, which is 27, divided by the packs, which is 9. That's going to give me $3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 1. So that means 2 would be $6, and 3 would be $9. Right? And you could continue on and continue on and continue on and continue on. Now I want to write some equations to go along with this. So let's start off saying, well, I know how much money I have. I know how many dollars I have. So how many packs of cookies can I buy? And I'm going to use this unit right here. This 3 is my key number because each pack costs $3. That's the number I have to use. Start off with my dollars, and I divide it by 3 to get me to how many packs I could buy. If I know how many packs I want to buy, I would multiply it by 3 to get me to my total cost, my D for dollars. And this one here, you would typically write it as 3P equals D. You would usually write it like this. That's a better way to write it in algebra. So now I have this equation that I could use to figure out anything that I wanted to. I could say, no matter how many packs I have, I multiply that by 3 to get me to my total cost. Or no matter how much money I have, I divide it by 3 to tell me how many packs of cookies I can buy. Because that's always what I'm thinking about when I get my paycheck. I have this amount of dollars, divide that by 3, how much cookies can I get, right? That's what my life is revolving around. So sometimes you're going to wonder, you know what? How much money would I need if I wanted to buy 5 packages? Well, I could use this one right here, right? 5 packs times $3. I could get my answer, but I want to show you guys how to graph it. Okay, so when we're graphing, we're going to do what's called plotting the points. Okay, and we're going to label packs of cookies and cost, and that would be in dollars. We always want to make sure we give our units there. All right, and so I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go by ones here. You don't have to go by ones. You could pick whatever increment you want, but it has to be the same. So this 0 to 1, right? If whatever this distance is from 0 to the first number has to be the same always. So then my dollars, I'm going to go by 3 since this goes by 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. So I'm going to plot these points. 1 pack of cookie costs $3, right? 1 to 3, 2 to 6, 2 to 6, 3 to 9, 3 to 9, 9 to 27, 9 to 27. Okay, and I'm going to make a line here, except this line's not going to be like a solid line. The reason being is that these points in between are your decimals and your fractions, or your parts. and you can't buy part of a pack of cookies. As much as you might want to, you always got to buy a full pack, and I guess it's worth it. So I guess who really wants part of a pack of cookies, right? You usually want the whole thing. So I'm going to use a dashed line, and I use this to represent saying it goes along this path, but it's broken because you can't get the parts, all right? So now I want to know how much money for 5 packages. So I can say 5 packages is right here at 15, and I use this equation to figure it out, and then I can plot that point on there. And this is like my focus. 5 packs cost $15. And I would use this equation saying 5 packs times $3 each pack is going to give me $15. And that's all there is to it.